This is a wonderful One More Thing today. Thank you, Quinette. And it's courtesy of Shannon Bream, our very own Shannon Bream, who was on an airplane. And she tweeted out a plea for help after a man on the plane told her about his 11-year-old nephew, Emilio, who's battling cancer and has just days to live. And he absolutely loves Marvel's Avengers. And you see the tweet there. She was hoping just one of the actors could send Emilio a greeting. And guess what happened? With the help of the Twitterverse and other journalists like Jake Tapper, Greg's man crush, within an hour she had responses from at least 8, all wanting to help, including Captain America Chris Evans, Hawkeye Jeremy Renner, even non-Avengers superheroes reached out, including Deadpool, all the way hot, Ryan Reynolds. What a sweet gesture for a very, very special little boy. Yeah. So God bless you, Shannon Bream, and also Emilio and his uncle.